Managing your supplier products in EandoX will help you to achieve more accurate LCA calculations for your own products. In this video, we'll show you how to access, manage, and request supplier products. Let's start by adding some supplier products to our library. We'll start by doing this from the global library. Navigate to the global library page in the left navigation menu. Here, you'll see a list of publicly available products, each showing its name, article number, EPD ID, supplier, type, weight, unit, last updated date, and EPD program operator. To find the supplier we are looking for, we'll just search for the supplier in the Suppliers tab, and then click the checkbox on our desired product, and then add products to library in the top right corner. Another way to add your supplier's product is through the supplier side panel. Go to the My Library page, then the Suppliers tab, and select your supplier. At the bottom of the side panel, check the box next to the product you want to add, and click Add Products to Library. After you've added the product, a green check will appear under In a Library to let you know which products you've added. If you can't find a needed product, you can request it. To do this, click the Request Products button in the top right corner. This will open the Request side panel. The Request side panel has options for single or multiple product requests. For a single request, you first have to choose the supplier, which is already done in our case. The same goes for the contact email. Enter the product name and article number, using the supplier's article number. We'll also add a simple message, and then click Send Request. For multiple product requests, you can upload an XLSX file with the required information, and then follow the same steps as the single request. If you would like to cancel a product request, navigate to the Supplier Products tab, and either select it in the list and click Delete in the header menu, or open the Request side panel and click Cancel Request. Once your products are added, you can view them in the Supplier Products tab. Here, you'll see the product name, article number, EPD ID, supplier, status, type, unit, and last updated date. The status of a product can be no status, indicating the product is in your library and no action is needed. Pending, meaning that it's a supplier product request that hasn't been fulfilled. Or update available, signaling that new information from the supplier has been received and you can update the data. If the type field says product, that indicates that the data came directly from the supplier. If the type field says EPD, the data came from a publicly available EPD, which in that case the EandoX team has imported. To see more details about a product, just click the product and the product's side panel will appear, showing product data, an impact graph, usage details, and an area for comments. To remove a supplier product, you can either select it in the list and click Delete in the header menu, or use the Delete button in the product's side panel. Important to note is that you can only remove products that aren't currently in use. In this video, we showed you how to access, manage, and request supplier products. If any problems occur, we have a helpful AI assistant, comprehensive documentation, and online customer support to guide you. Thanks for watching.